German engineering means to me reliable products that last a lifetime. My name is Tobias von Alvern and I'm head of the Audiophile Video Portfolio Management. To make a product that is meant to last for decades, you need to be able to think out of the box. With the MKE 400, we tried to understand one of the user's pain points, and one is that after the shoot, usually the microphones are being dropped into the bag. So we came up with the idea of having the suspension inside the microphone basket, which makes it really immune to any harsh handling. And this is what we want to deliver.